What if the pyramids of Egypt were not built by humans, but by people from other worlds? And the Egyptian pyramids, which we consider to be Egyptian civilization, or tomb, that's the space station of Aliens Bollywood silver screen, presenting Stargate. This story begins from 800 BC, that is, 3,000 years before our time. When humans lived on Earth like tribals, there was no technology. And at that time, only one spaceship is found on Earth. Everyone starts running after seeing him. But a boy is attracted towards her. He goes to her. And then a blue light emanates from the spaceship, and the boy disappears. Even several hundred years pass. The time comes in the year 1928, where we are shown large pyramids of Egypt. And this pyramid is a symbol of the fact that now humans are no longer wild or tribal as before. He has progressed a lot. Here humans are digging around the pyramids of Egypt. During this excavation, they find very strange ancient things here, in which there is also a very large sphere made of metal, seeing which no one understands what it is. Under this, they also find the remains of an alien. Here, a little girl, Catherine, is shown, who is the daughter of the project head. Here, Catherine finds a golden-colored locket in the excavation here, which she keeps with her. Many decades pass, and the time comes in 1994, where Dr. Daniel Jackson is shown, who is an Egyptology and linguist, is called one who has knowledge of many languages. Jackson speaks several ancient languages. Jackson tells everyone in his speech that the Egyptian pyramids were not built by the Egyptians. Rather, someone else has made it. No one believes in this. Everyone gets up and leaves from there. Here, Catherine comes to meet Jackson, the same little girl that Sir was shown in 1928, which after excavation in Egypt, a golden color locket was found there. Now this girl is old and is still working on the same project, which is named Stargate. Catherine is the head of the project, and she asks Jackson to join her team. She says, "We need a person who can understand old things." Jackson joins their team, and when he reaches the base, where he has to understand the ancient language, so he corrects some ancient words written on the board, which he guessed wrong in a few seconds. Now here comes Colonel O'Neill. He says, "Now I am the head of this project." That is, whatever work will be done here, Colonel O'Neill should also be fully aware of it. Jackson is shown a huge stone. This is the same stone found in the pyramids of Egypt in 1928. And under this stone was that circular metal, which is called Stargate. Jackson tries to understand the sign on this stone, but he doesn't fully understand. One day, a guard is reading a newspaper behind which there are pictures of some stars. And this group of stars is the Orion Belt. It is said that the pyramids of Egypt are closely related to the Orion Belt. Jackson, when the picture of the Orion Belt matches the picture of the stone, it is just the same. He understands that this is not written in any language. Rather, in this space, there is a map of moving through the three-dimensional, and he tells all this to his team. That makes a three-dimensional cube on the board, on which he marks 6 points and merges them together. Jackson says that from the center point, we can go to any place. A man sitting here speaks, but to go to the center point, we need the 7th place. Where is it? Jackson tells that our Earth, that is, our location, is the 7th place. He makes here a picture made on that stone, which is like a pyramid, with 2 people on either side. He says that these 2 men have no meaning. This pyramid is the 7th place. Then a man speaks there, but this is the 7th place in the device, meaning this mark is not anywhere. Jackson finds out that he has a device, the same metal ball called Stargate. Jackson is taken inside the lab, where he sees the Stargate, which is moving, meaning it is activated. And Jackson now looks at the 7th mark, which is of the pyramid. That is, it is the mark of our Earth. And now in the order that Jackson would have placed these 7 marks, one by one, those marks are locked on the Stargate. And as soon as they lock the 7th mark, a wormhole is activated inside the Stargate. Everyone is happy seeing this. He then puts a tracker device inside the wormhole, so that they can know that if they enter inside it, where will they reach? and soon they know from that tracker device that he has reached another galaxy. He is in a place that is like the Earth. And the way their device has reached another world through Stargate, there is a similar Stargate there too. But that language is written. It is completely different. That's the biggest problem, because if they go that way, so the coordinates they will need to come back. That is, they will not be able to put the marks in the correct order.